No, seriously.
What is it?
Don't. Nah, you did not. You didn't. You did not! You did not! You did not! Are you... No, you didn't. No, you fucking didn't. No, you didn't!
I think she did. What is it, Tolga?
It's a fucking saxophone!
Holy shit!
Saxophone.
Are you serious?
It's the one that you looked at.
Oh.
Oh my god, what the hell? Are you serious right now? I got you a puzzle!
Hey, look, you two are one bass player away from starting a jazz band.
I love you. You are joking.
Oh my god, look at that rose gold finish.
Wow.
Fucking beautiful.
God.
It's even got the little pearl bits on the buttons.
Mother of God.
Pearl, but you
Mother
can't
of
get...
pearl.
It even looks slightly like pre-patinaed.
What
Yeah,
the
it's got like
fuck? And it's got little like...
See, they look like planets.
Yeah, they do.
Still got a sucking to go, so